Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what do you get when you subtract 192.00, that is 192, from 218.14? That is, here we need to find 218.14 minus 192.00. Do the subtraction. 218.14 minus 192. So 4 minus 0 is 4. Again 1 minus 0 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. Here 1 minus 9 is not possible, so we borrowed from here. So that 2 will convert it to 1 and that 1 will be 11. 11 minus 9 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is 26.14. Hence, when we subtract 192.00 from 218.14, we get 26.14. So from available options, we have option B as 26.14.